all here to launch the magnificent book by this fine gentleman right in front of me for a show.
It's a wonderful aggregation of points for success and priorities for success.
I really believe that it's a must-read for young people today.
We share the vision of supporting young people to design their own definition of success.
Everyone has to start off with developing his or her own definition of success. And when we have these specific expectations of ourselves, we are most likely to live up to them.